Every great project begins with a perfectly executed site survey. Our team will visit the project location to take photos to verify wall measurements so that we could design accordingly and determine if there are any issues that could affect installation. We also consider wall obstructions, site access, scheduling, lighting, and temperature. We gather detailed measurements and label each photo according to the floor plan so that the design team can clearly make clean and organized art proofs. Our design team transforms your ideas into unique visual solutions. We dive deep into your company to look at your existing branding so that we can create something that represents your brand. Design isn't just about how something looks, it's about making a space feel a certain way and helping people navigate. We take every small detail into consideration in preparing our design deck. Our team listens closely to your ideas, goals, and brand identity to ensure that every design decision aligns with your vision and message. We create detailed mock-ups and art proofs with any necessary floor plans, measurements, color palettes, material callouts, and elevation photos. Our manufacturing facility is where your vision becomes reality. We utilize state-of-the-art equipment for all of our color matching, printing, and finishing to make our outstanding products. As an American brand with American values, we source as many of our materials as possible from U.S. manufacturers. This ensures quality materials that we can count on to last. Whether it's printed vinyl, dimensional letters, privacy film, vehicle graphics, or custom art panels, we handle the entire production process in-house. Our 3M Preferred installation team travels anywhere from our office in Westchester to across the country. We install wherever your brand needs us to be. From wayfinding signage and wall murals to event signage and displays, our team ensures that your signage is installed safely, securely, and right the first time. Our experienced crews have all the knowledge, proper tools, and supplies needed to accurately install every sign and graphic with precision. From start to finish, you could always count on us to deliver a quality finished product.